The HTTP protocol have many functionalities we can make use to take advantage of its resources. And one example is the redirect resource. Sometimes we utilize a lot of programming techniques for performing some kind of redirection of requests, but there is a native way we can perform that using the HTTP. We have one special code in the HTTP protocol response code that is the 300 class of codes, which inform the requested resource has redirected your request to another source of data. In this example here, we can take a look that we has performed one access to one resource. It gives us this redirect code, and as an output we received a second resource, and then this one was delivered to the user. But how the redirection works with the HTTP protocol? If you take a look here in this request that we have this response code, in the response header there is one attribute named location. So when you as the server give one response that you are redirecting, and you inform in your response header that we have one location attribute, the web browser, when receiving this response, will automatically perform one redirect to this location address. So it's what happened here. We can here just copy the original address that we make the request. We can clear here all our history of navigation and perform here one new access. Let's take a look of all the stack of requests that are performed. So first of all, we can see here the address we have requested in the browser. It informs us it's performing one redirection, and this functionality to redirect to another URL is automatically performed by the browser based in the location attribute of HTTP response header. Okay, so that is how HTTP works. It can be done with any programming language you want to making usage of just HTTP headers. Now let's see how to do that with Java programming language. We can have here very simple way to implement that with a servlet. This servlet actually is mapped to be the first URL we are accessing, and when it's processing we can say to it, in your response you write in the send head directly, there's another address, there's another servlet or any other URL you want to. Then when it's accessed, actually it's returned to the client. As we can see here, it's accessed, the response is returned, but it's stamped in the response that we are going to perform one redirection by this location attribute. So that's it for this video, one demonstration about how to use the location attribute and the 300 code of HTTP requests. Thank you for watching.